So the base constructor is always executed first. Yes. The parent-most types constructor is always executed first. So what happens when we have two parent constructors? Well, the rules of method overloading still apply. For example, if I had a public person that just took in a string name and set the first name to the name variable, so I added another constructor overload here, the way we distinguish between this constructor and this constructor follows the exact same rules as method overloads. So down here on the base, you'll notice if I hit Control-Shift-Space, IntelliSense pops up and informs me there are two overloads of this constructor that I can choose from, either by providing two strings or a single string.